I guess welcome back to another video, but I'm just gonna say that I can't thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been giving me. New goal, 15 subscribers till my birthday, if not 20. I feel like 20 is really big though. So, see you then. Bye. And you can subscribe. Oh, yeah. Before I end the video, I'm just gonna say, I'm doing really better. I still have a bit of a cough, but I'm chilling. No, I'm just chilling. So, yeah. Peace. Doses.